for another thing for him.
See, no. I can wear this. My vehicle is parked at the center of office.
No worry, that one.
Hold on. So, this is rising. This is sun. This is rising sun, not Biafra, not Eastern Security Network. Do you understand?
Stand up.
So, with my education, I know areas to go, areas not to go. It could be better for you to be videoing all this. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. Your guy is talking. So let's listen to the facts. They know how to react to the facts. This is the
implication of this.
Rising sun. Me, I believe that.
More than 30 minutes. So.
I was right.
Gather people.
If you talk about well, this is just civil dress.
Come this way.
I was buying bread, 10,000 naira bread, sharing them one.
Come this way.
No campaign, nothing. Sharing bread, 10,000 worth of bread. When they came, nobody was doing demonstration or carrying people along. People who were hungry, I was giving them bread.
I tell you.
I was giving them bread.
Then deploy.
Is it wrong to give to feed?